Good morning and welcome to Rocket Pro Labs. As I say, and we're back. Welcome to spring. Spring has sprung. You see there's all kinds of grass and green stuff, dandelions everywhere all over the yard. But we're about our garden. So right now, thank you West Virginia University Extension Service for sending us. There's your plug right there. All right, good job. So sending us 3 seeds. Our first set of seeds we're going to plant are the Roma tomato. Wonderful, thank you. Now they suggest, of course, planting them in, you got your potting mix seed starter stuff you get from any big box store right there. We're going to plant these in here. Yes, these are ones I've used from my garden many times, so reduce, reuse, recycle. That's what we say. But you say, wait a minute, that doesn't look like starter mix to me. That looks like mud. And you'd be right. It is mud. Here at Rocket Pro Labs, we're all about experimenting, finding what works, what doesn't work. And today, we're going to plant some seeds. So, in this pack, we have about, you see down there, about 40 odd seeds. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pots. So I thought, well, we could use a starting mix, which the WVU Extension Service recommends. But guess what? Maybe everyone doesn't have starting mix. Or they don't have access to a big box store and they can't get out. Hello, Madeline. Oh, she's shy. So maybe you don't have access to potting mix and starter mix. What are you going to do? Well, I thought, let's do an experiment. Went down the garden, got some good old-fashioned dirt out of the garden, put some water in it, and got it nice and wet. Those, a little too wet, but these look good. So we got it nice and wet, all the soil's nice and wet, even the pre-mix stuff. And we're going to add our seeds to it. Right now, we are in early April, here where I live in mid-Atlantic United States in West Virginia. And I'm going to plant these, the seed recommendations, about 6 to 8 weeks later, which is perfect. My last frost where I live is around mid-May-ish, so it's about 6 to 8 weeks away. So that's perfect. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to plant these, and then we'll take you along with the ride here, and we're going to see if, of course, if the store-bought mix works, which it probably will. And then we're going to see the good old-fashioned dirt. Does it do as well, or does it do good, or maybe better, the store-bought stuff? We're going to find out. So, and also too, I will link down below or somewhere around here the video from the WVU Extension Service, which is really good about preparing the soil, lighting, and all that stuff, which we don't have time to go over today. So, get planting. It is time. There's no snow. See? No snow. So get planting. That's what we're doing here. We're getting ready to plant. Too early to plant in the ground, unless you do things like potatoes and stuff. But it's another video. But right now, we are doing a seed starting with our Roma tomatoes. Right there. Good stuff. All right. All right. Good luck. Have a great day. And God bless you.